Hello there, this is Matt Olson here. I'm the lead instructor for apartment maintenance technicians. And what you're going to be learning in my program, there's going to be several different trades. And that's going to be an electrical, plumbing, HVAC, appliance repair, also your pool maintenance. There's going to be construction procedures and safety that we'll be teaching you as well too. So we also are getting you set up if you decide to go in the construction field. But through the process, we'll be talking about and discussing the basics of all the different trades. How do you go ahead and run wire or hook up a three-way switch, or how to replace a toilet or a faucet, how to diagnose appliances or HVAC systems. Through the process of this too, you will be understanding in how to work with people and how to interpret work orders, the communication part and the soft skills. This is why I recommend being a maintenance technician. One, you're going to be receiving 6 certifications. And these 6 certifications is your OSHA 10 for construction, your EPA 608 universal, your CAMT, and your fair housing. You're going to be a jack of all trades and understanding the different trades as well. So what that means is it's going to allow you to work on your own home and also give you the possibility to open your own business one day. And you're going to have great people skills as well too, and that will help build clients along the way. Also, you can do side jobs if you don't want to start your own business. Some of the benefits that you can go ahead and receive while you're being a technician. Starting salaries can range from $15 to $18. You first start out or in the first 3 months. It can also be raised up to $20 an hour as well too. There's not a whole lot of programs out there that you can go and get 10 weeks of training and start out with in the 30,000s to low 40,000s after 10 weeks. Some of the outlooks and opportunities are out there for technicians. They're constantly building new apartments, and there's just thousands of people are moving in the state of Florida. Central Florida has been #1 for job growth for apartment maintenance technicians in the past 4 years. Everyone around the world is coming and visiting in Central Florida. So, and this is one of the reasons why apartment maintenance technicians, the high demand, there are several opportunities that you can pursue. One, if you decided that you wanted to get out of being an apartment maintenance, that you can go ahead and pursue it in a different field in maintenance, meaning in hotels or schools. You can also go ahead and pursue in the construction field as well, and a certain trade that you want to develop more. Your electrical or plumbing, HVAC, you can start making side money as well, or start your own business, because you are going to have the skill sets for the jack of all trades and also the people skills to how to communicate correctly when you're coming across.